Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's. It's Halloween at Five Below. I wanted to show you the Halloween stuff and I wanted to share what else was new at Five Below in this Five Below shop with me. So first thing I see is a bunch of Halloween stuff. So we have an ice tray with gummy eyeballs inside. This would be good for a party. Yeah, this little plush Frankenstein, that's super cute. They have all this candy. I love the Halloween teas, especially this Stay Puff with the green slime around it from Ghostbusters. Super cute. And they have all this makeup you can use for your Halloween costume. And everything's just $1 to $5. And they have all of these costumes. And it's just $1 to $5. And a super cute pumpkin candy holder because it's glass. They have these decorations for your yard, including fake tombstones. And they're just $5. And this is $2. It's a light up ghost and it changes colors. It's so cute. And they have signs for your yard, and they're all just $5. They have inflatables for $5. And these bouncy balls are super cute. And they have slime for just $2. I love these teas. They're $5. You have a good witch and a bad witch. Should be good for best friends. One go as the good witch, one go as the bad witch. Now I'm making my way back to the Room Decor to see what's new. I already see this hello sign. That's $5. That's new. Then this is also new, this picture holder. And then there's a new Coco Chanel quote picture. That is new. And everything's just $1 to $5. I love these initial plaques that you can put in your room. They're so cute. I'm doing a separate video on Five Below nails, Five Below iPhone cases, and Five Below lip balm, so be sure to check those out. They might already be up, or they might be getting ready to drop. So just be on the lookout for those. Next, I'm going to see what's in the office supplies or school supplies section. They always have super cute things, like all of these paper clips, this gold stapler, washi tape, calendar, markers are super cute, and those magnets. And all these 3D erasers are so cute. Now in the very back they have the clearance. Everything's 50% off back here. So if it says $5, it's $2.50. If it says $3, it's $1.50. And if it's $1, it's really just 50 cents. So I think that's a really good deal. You could keep an eye out for clearance at Five Below. Like this is $5, but it would be $2.50 on clearance. And then all of these headbands are $3, but they would be $1.50. And those would be $1. Those hand sanitizer holders. And then all the back to school backpacks are on clearance, so they'd be $2.50. This nail polish with the flowers in it is super cute. They have all of these fake perfumes that are knockoffs of popular brands. They have this super cute makeup palette. It's a highlighter palette. And this one is a bright colored eyeshadow palette. These brushes are super colorful and pretty. They have so many clothes. They're getting ready for the fall season. They have fuzzy socks, and they have all of these fuzzy shirts and sweatpants. So I'm going to see what's outside, because I do have some stuff outside too. So it looks like they have colorful balls for $4. And they have these and soccer balls and large footballs. So I hope you liked this Five Below shop with me. Subscribe if you're new. And thanks so much for watching.